Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. This week's quick video is a free list of over 900 popular dropshipping suppliers in the USA, UK, Australia, Canada and many other countries around the world. But before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step by step how anyone can build a 7-digit online business from their home using eBay and Amazon and using less than $100. So let's launch straight into it. I'll put a link on the screen and below to the list. I'll also keep adding more popular dropship suppliers to this list every month. So make sure you bookmark the link and keep checking back every month. It's all free. And at the time of recording this video today or now, there's just over 900 popular dropshipping suppliers on the list. I hope this list of dropship suppliers helps you with growing your dropshipping business. Please leave me a comment below. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.